I am chosen. I am loved, I am forgiven, and I am chosen. 1 Peter chapter 2, verse 9 says that you are a chosen people. You are a royal priesthood. It's fun to be chosen, isn't it? It's fun when people pick you, when they choose you. And that's exactly what God did. He chose you. You are special in the fact that God values you. He loves you. He chose to seek you out, to forgive you, to restore you, to bring you into a proper relationship. And then, this is the important one, and we'll get to this later on in this podcast series, but to use you. You are chosen not just like by a popular kid at school, not just by the boss at work. You are chosen by the creator of the universe.